For today's video, I will be sharing on how technology is transforming the nursing profession and improving patient care. In the ever-evolving field of healthcare, science and technology have become indispensable tools for nurses. Here are 5 innovations changing the field today. First, the infusion pumps. Infusion pumps are lifesavers, delivering precise doses of medication, fluids, or nutrients directly into a patient's bloodstream. These programmable devices reduce human error and ensure patients receive the correct dosage at the right time. Nurses can monitor and adjust the settings easily, ensuring continuous care. Second, telehealth. Telehealth bridges the gap between patient and healthcare providers. Nurses use video calls, remote monitoring tools, and secure messaging system to provide care to patients in distant locations. This technology not only expands access to healthcare, but also reduces hospital visits, saving time for both patients and nurses. Fourth, smart beds. Smart beds are equipped with sensors to track patient movements, weight, and vital signs. They can alert nurses to changes in a patient's condition or when assistance is needed. By helping prevent falls and pressure ulcers, smart beds enhance patient safety and comfort. Last but not the least, robotics in nursing. Robotics is reshaping nursing by taking over repetitive and physical demanding tasks. Robots assist in lifting patients, delivering medications, and even disinfecting hospital rooms. This technology reduces the strain on nurses, allowing them to focus on providing direct care to patients. This advancement highlight how science and technology empower nurses to provide better, safer, and more efficient care. As these tools evolve, they will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the future of healthcare.